Hello guys, what's up? In this video we'll make this hover animation. And let's dive into code. In our HTML we have a tag, contains h1 and button. In the button we have an arrow icon as SVG. Now let's move to CSS. We start as usual with this default everything styling, and we add to body height 100 port height, display flex, justify content center, and align item center to center our A. And we have a display flex and align item center to make its items in the same line, and text decoration none to remove its default line. And add to h1 black color, and we add to our button width and height 50 pixels, and border radius 100% to make it round, and we add border. And display flex, justify content center, and align item center to center its SVG. And we make our h1 a little bit bigger, and we add to it some margin right. And for h1 animation we need h1 before and h1 after pseudo. We has content empty, and width 100%, height 2 pixels, and background color black, and position absolute. We get this line, but we need them to be relative to h1, so we add the position relative to h1 and bottom 0. Great. The h1 before and after. Start from -100% as you see, and now let's animate them. So when hover on a before 0, but as you see here in the video of our animation, our h1 before, this line start animating first and stop left 100% as you see. Now we need to add our transition. We'll use the cubic bezier, and here we go. And if we return to the video, we can see our h1 after stop in left 0% and start animating after h1 before. So left 0% and transition delay 0.3 second, and we don't need to see what's going on outside h1, so we add the overflow hidden. Great. Now let's move to our button animation. Its animation depends on its after. Either it's almost similar to h1 before and after, just has 100% height and left 0 and button position relative. And this after start from -100% parm as you see, and make it round as the button. So when I hover after button bottom 0 and our our SVG become white, and we add to our SVG similar transition. Copy it from here. And the last thing, we add overflow hidden to button. Cool. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want more about this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button.